Decreasing motor speed on the Somfy battery motor. There are 10 speeds available. Move the blind away from the upper and lower limits to avoid damage. Hold up, my and down simultaneously on the remote until you get a response. The blind will start to travel up and down continuously. Hold down on the remote until you get a response. Once the minimum speed is reached, the blind will step up 3 times and step down 3 times. Hold the My button until you get a response. The speed is now saved.
If we've helped you, please help us by hitting that free subscribe button to find us easier next time. Won't cost you anything, but will most certainly help us a lot. We're not just a YouTube channel, we are real people making real products. Speedy Blinds is a super quick blinds and curtains manufacturer in Melbourne, and we don't muck around. If you're after a Speedy supplier or have any questions, please get in contact with us and we can do our best to help you.